Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to discuss joining a related affiliate network once you have actually decided on the niche where you are going to be participating. Now in particular, once you have decided on that niche market, you are going to want to find a product to promote as an affiliate. Of course, you could go through the process of creating your own information product. You could write your own book. You could create your own audios. But if you want to get started making money fast and you want to start really getting a sense for what it means to make a sale online, making money as an affiliate is one of the best ways in which to do that, and working with affiliate products is going to be the most profitable. Now, physical and retail products tend to pay lower commissions than information products. Now, one of the things that you do want to be aware of is that if you do want to market physical or retail products, and we pretty much mean anything that you would go to the store to buy that's a physical product, maybe something you'd buy at a shopping mall or a retail store, those are going to be the things that you are going to probably want to work with the Amazon network in order to market. Now, we're going to be focusing primarily on information products because they give us the most opportunity to profit quickly. But if you want to use the Amazon network, it has the widest variety of products, and it's easy to get started, and they're easy to market, and you can use the same principles that we're going to be talking about in this course to market those products. Now, the most profitable route to take will be to find a network that's selling products to the market you're operating in. Now, your commission is going to be higher when you start talking about information products in those areas. Now, there are several networks to choose, but you are going to need to do some research on which one actually fits your niche or your market. Now, there are a couple to choose from. There is the ClickBank network, there is the JVZoo network, the Warrior Plus network, and Zaxa. Those are all networks that cater themselves to people who want to make more money online. Now, in this particular case, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Zaxa, they're going to require you, the affiliate, to be approved by the person who created the product. Now, that means that they could take a while before they approve you as a vendor. In addition to that, they are going to decide on your worthiness based on your experience. And if you're new to get started, that's going to be difficult to prove. So one of the best places to start for someone who is new, who wants to start making money online and get started immediately making sales, you're going to want to use the ClickBank network because those products will not require you to be approved as an affiliate. When you make a sale, it will be yours to earn and the money will be paid to you. So this is going to be the best place to start if you are brand new in terms of finding a product and a related affiliate network. Now, in order to find the ClickBank network, you're simply going to go to clickbank.com and you will see the network right there, and they will have the products in their marketplace. So if you go to the ClickBank network and you go to the marketplace, you're going to find a number of products in a number of categories. And really, these categories ought to start looking a little familiar to you, right? These are some of the same categories that you saw on Google, that you saw on Amazon. So you can start thinking, well, you know what? I can think back and I saw some bestsellers that seemed that a lot of people were really looking for information in a certain category. Well, that might be the category that you want to start looking for products to promote inside of ClickBank. And this is where it really gets exciting because you already know that there's interest in the marketplace. Now what all you've got to do is to find a great product to promote, and then you will be halfway to being able to generate sales and interest in your offer. So now in the next video, we are going to start thinking about, well, what are the problems that our niche wants to solve? What are the things that people are really having trouble in? Now, we've gone to we found a niche. We found areas where people are buying products and services. Now what we want to do is we want to start thinking about, well, what are the problems that people want to solve? what we're going to do then is we're going to come back when we know those problems. We're going to come back to this marketplace and then start thinking about, well, which product best addressed those problems. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.